Hello everyone, Tony's here. Many of you asked for a trial version, so I decided to send out a trial version. You can find a copy of the software, in the in our Telegram channel. You will receive a copy of the software and the license. Double click to open the license file. You can simply drag and drop the application onto your desktop, and then double click on the software. You have to wait for a few seconds for the first time when you activate it. The software creates another folder on your desktop which is called Forex Sentiment, and will include your database and license and all the related files. So when you open it for the first time, just please be patient for a few seconds. Later on, a message should pop up just like this, asking for a username and activation key. Simply copy the username and activation key in the license file. Just like that, and click activate. Once the license is activated, the software will load. If you get this error, that's the first time, it's fine. Just close it and open the software again. Because when you run it for the first time, you don't have the dependencies file in here. But when you run it for the second time, it reads all the files and the software should be activated once you activate it. You don't have to activate it again because you just activate it. Just wait for a few seconds until the software loads. It should not take very long, just a couple of seconds. Be patient until it loads all the necessary files and data it needs, and the software will open. The first time might be a bit slow when you activate and connect to the system, but then later on it will be very fast. It depends on your device performance as well, but the first time is usually slow. So once you get access to the software, you can jump to the settings tab, select your preferred time interval. I will be going to with 60 seconds. Before doing this, so if you open the CFTC tab, it's all empty. You have to download code data before running the auto update. Try to download CFTC data. I will go with 1st of January 2025 to December 2026. Click OK. Wait for this download to be finished. You can see the progress at the bottom, updating historical CFTC data from 1st of January 2025 to 31st of December 2026. Now it's updating the legacy data. This is a direct download from the CFTC website. Wait for a few seconds, and then you'll get a message that the data has been downloaded. This depends on your internet. I think I don't have good reception at the moment. If you have a good reception, this will be a lot faster. Yeah, once it's completed, click OK. In order to see the CFTC data, you have to close the software and open it again. So let's do it, close it, and wait for a few seconds and then double click on the software to open again. So with the CFTC data downloads, it's just the first time that you have to close your software and open it again in order to get access to your database, which is here. But later on, if you try to update again on Friday, because you don't have to do it, once you update it on the 20th, 5 o'clock, you don't have to close and open the software again to see the updated CFTC data. It's just for the first time. Just wait for a few seconds to load, and then we go ahead and start the auto update to get live retail traders data. Once it loads completely, and then you can go to this settings tab, click refresh in here. You don't need all those logs. Select 60 seconds or 5 minutes. I'll go with the 60 seconds, every 60 seconds to get new data. And you can monitor the activity log that tells you all data has been updated. So you can jump to the retail trader tab. That's the latest data, 336. And if you go to the CFTC data, where you have a complete description of how to use a CFTC analysis in here, because it's a big analysis. It's not a simple spreadsheet. And then you get access to all CFTC data. So if we look at gold in here, we need to see what the producers are doing, right? So this is the producers position on gold. And if you want to look at a trade in financial markets, go with the Euro USD. So if you are jumping around and you see a loading icon, please just wait to load, because that refreshed the retail trader in the background for you. So that's your FX as well. And another update you have to do, click on the news sentiment, click refresh. Once you click refresh, it says fetching data. Please wait for all the news to be loaded, and then you can go load all on, and then you can basically explore the rest of the software. Once you click fetching news, the software collects all the headlines and news related to stock market, for forex, crypto, commodities, indices, central banks, and so on, from 142 sources, which combines all the headings and important news for you here. You don't have to jump around different URLs or links, websites. Everything is in here. Just waiting here for a few seconds for the fetching news to be done. This is just a big source of data. That's why it takes a little bit of time. So if you look at it here, total of news, 3,500 news has been fetched in here and analyzed. So the next time when you click refresh, it should not be slow. Let it finish. Yeah. So I will leave the rest for you to explore the software and have fun with it. I would like to hear your feedback. If you put your feedbacks down in the comment section, or reach out in our Telegram channel. I'll see you in the next one.